Hey internet, so I thought I was only going to be filming one video today. Turns out I'm going to be filming two. So I wanted to film my face mask video, which you will see next week. It just so happened that I got a delivery in the mail today. I got a Zenpop box beauty box. So if you guys watch my planner channel, then you know that I have been opening up Zenpop stationery boxes for a long time now because I love them. I've been ordering them religiously for a really long time. And when Zenpop noticed that I had a beauty channel as well, they offered to send me a box, and so here we are. I've actually ordered one in the past. It was quite a while ago. So I'm really excited to see what's in this box. I really love the previous box. Let's just get into it. So for those who don't know, Zenpop is a Japanese subscription box. They do beauty, stationery, ramen, sweets, snacks, that sort of stuff. So it's quite a few things, but all central around seasons and festivals happening in Japan. And so it's summer right now in the Northern Hemisphere, and so a lot of this is going to be very like summery based, even though in Australia we're just about to leave winter. It is about to enter spring. So first up we have a fan here. I have one on my desk that I use all the time for fanning down when I do my face mists. Like when I do any setting spray stuff, I will use the fan downstairs. It is a little broken though, so this is kind of cool. What it looks like. It's really pretty. Oh, there we go. Completely open now. Oh, this is really nice. This room, even though it is winter, this room actually is a little bit warm right now because I have so many lights on. So this is kind of nice. What's this next one? This is a, okay, what is this? This is like a tea towel or something like that. Oh, it's a handkerchief. All right, I'm just going off the thing here. It's a little Japanese handkerchief, and I'm just gonna open it up. I love it. It's like all sakura. It's beautiful. I think there's some paper in it to hold its shape, so I'll take that out. But this is what it looks like. That's so cute. I love it. Okay, next one. Oh, these are bath salts. So they're called kakigori bath salts. Kakigori is kind of like the shaved ice that you usually get at festivals and stuff like that, like snow cones. But in Japanese, kakigori. And these are supposed to be like bath salts. So you put them in the bath and they're supposed to help with your skincare, put you in a better mood, calm you down. This particular one, this is the mixed fruit flavor. So it's more just the scent that it emits. There's like 3 different flavors you can get. I think there's like mint and lemon, and then this one. So this actually is my favorite. I would not really be keen. I don't know, I'm not a big fan of mint flavored stuff unless I am particularly going for like spearmint ice cream or chewing gum. But generally I'm not a fan of like lip balms or bath bombs or creams or anything that have a minty smell to it. So I'm pretty happy about this. You guys know I love fruit scented stuff. And then we've got a hand cream here. Okay, Lemonade on the Weekend Water Hand Cream. So the thing about this hand cream, and I don't know how I'm going to be able to show you because it's supposed to be kind of like water droplets. So let me open it up. This is such a weird setup I have, so it's not really... I've got this other camera to the side. I don't know if I can show it there. So you got your cream, your hand cream, and then if you rub it, it's supposed to like form like water droplets. Can you guys see? Lighting's not as good on this camera, but it's kind of like, it turns into like little water droplets. It's so weird. I mean, it feels moisturizing. It's not as thick as a lot of other hand creams that I use. And this is the last one. Oh no. Oh, face masks. Yes, jackpot. I love face masks. I just said that the next video I'm about to film is all about face masks, so this is like really good timing. But I don't think I've tried this one before. It says horse, looking at the thing, it says horse oil face mask, which I haven't really used horse oil stuff before. I've always been a little bit iffy about stuff that says like snail oil or stuff like that. That's just a bit beyond the traditional. God, I don't know, have you guys ever tried anything with horse oil in it before? Let me know. And the last item I have here is kind of like just a little eyeshadow palette. So this is from the brand Low Jenny Tokyo. It's like a really colorful eyeshadow palette. Let me take it out of the packaging because I always know that the plastic wrap tends to reflect a lot of the light. The only downside with my whole lighting setup is that it's really hard to show items without them being like right here where the color balance is right, because I bring them too forward. I don't know, see how it just feels really, really bright and you can't actually see it. So I don't know. Fix one element of your whole lighting setup and everything's great, but then you create a whole bunch of other issues. There we go. It's much smaller now that I've got it here, but as you can see, the colors are a lot more It's a lot easier to see the colors now. I'm not expecting these to be very pigmented. Swatching is actually okay. Can you see that? Oh yeah, it's showing up. It's not super pigmented, but I'm not expecting it to be because I feel like Asian cosmetics in general is not known for being very pigmented. And I'm swatching the darker colors because I have a feeling if I swatch a lighter one, it's not going to show up. Like if I swatch, say, this one here, this like lavender shade. Let's see. Probably not going to come up on screen. Oh, actually, you can kind of see it. But yeah, they are definitely on the sheerer shot. They are definitely on the sheerer side. That's kind of just my experience with a lot of Asian cosmetic brands, is that they do tend to be on the sheer side. So if you want something more pigmented, then definitely recommend other brands. But yeah, I'll give this a shot and see how I go. So that's everything in this month's Zenpop box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.